All right, y'all, welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So today I got a quick one for y'all. Got a quick tool review. I just bought it. So this is a endoscope. It's a articulating endoscope, which means the camera here will move for you. All right, so it'll give you a better look at whatever you're looking at. So I kind of already took it out the box. Just to play with it a little bit. So it does come with little attachments, like a little hook and a little mirror glass and something else, I think a magnet. But I wouldn't use these. They supposed to go at the tip of your camera, and looks like they screw on there. But if these things for any odd reason break off, and let's just say you're down inside a cylinder or something like that, then you'll be dealing with trying to fish out your fishing tool that's in here. So I wouldn't use them. Move this out the way real quick. So it'll come like this in a box, your little carrying case. All right, and you got a manual that's going to give you all your specs in there. So it also got the specs on the back of this box. So real quick, the screen is 4.3 inches long or wide. The camera is 8 millimeters. The image resolution is 1920 by 1080. All right, viewing angle, all your specs here that you need to look at. It is a C-type charger, which is a good thing. And here's those pieces I was just telling you about. It has a magnet, a hook, a side mirror, and a lens protection ring. So yeah, this is called Kaiweets. I think that's the name. I think that's how you say that, Kaiweets. So it's not the best camera. It's not the most expensive camera. I had these cameras in my cart for years now, and when I first started looking for one of these way back, I was talking to Snap-on, and you know, they wanted like $1 billion for the cheapest one. So ever since then, I just been like putting it off. Then I had some of these inside my Amazon cart. I had like a $600 one in my Amazon cart, and it was just too expensive because this ain't something that, you know, I mean, you can use this, but I mean, depending on what you do, you probably won't use this every day. So I didn't want to spend too much money on it, but this ended up being, well, this particular brand is $100. So I just bit the bullet on that. So yeah, you can use this for anything. It could be engines, it could be your sink, your tub, anything where you gotta see up in a space that you just can't see with a naked eye or reach. This thing will get up in there and pretty much see it for you. So let's just get to the video part. So I took out a spark plug on this engine that's sitting here. So I took out the spark plug. Spark plug is right here. Now this engine been sitting for like 10 years or so. So let me get y'all set up so we can take a look inside real quick. All right, y'all, so here's the power button right here. Turn the power on. All right, so now the picture isn't that great from afar, but it's real good up close. All right, so let's take this plastic off. All right, so now you can zoom in with this arrow button here. All right, you can zoom in, or you can turn this light up or down. All right, and this wire is the camera length is, I believe it's 5 feet long. So it's plenty of length. So let's go down to the cylinder real quick. And let's see. Now I haven't seen the inside of this engine since we took it out. So that's the top of the piston right there. All right. Now to turn the thing, you just turn this. It's just a wheel. All right, and it'll allow you to turn the camera. It's kind of hard looking at this thing and then trying to make sure you guys can see it the right way. All right, but y'all get it. That's the top of the piston right there. It's pretty bad. So this thing been sitting for a while. And then here's the water pump right here. You can actually go inside the water pump. Which is kind of cool. Like, I mean, you could use this thing for anything. There's the back of the water pump. So this whole entire tunnel is just coolant, a coolant passage. Your coolant goes through here. All right. So it's pretty clear up close. It's better clear up close than it is from afar. So there it is. That's pretty much what it is. It's not the best quality picture, but I mean it's good enough to see what you need to see. And like I said, it don't matter what it is. This thing will zoom in and see it. If you can't see it, you know, with a naked eye or can't physically get to it, this will help. Like I said, bathtubs, sinks, engines, other engine components, anything. All right, so that's it. So if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.